Hi everyone, it's Anne here. Today I'm going to make a video about analyzing an image using Microsoft Copilot in Bing. Now, the purpose of me doing this video is actually to show you how you can analyze an image um, and ask Copilot to give you more details of the image and to compile into a spreadsheet and to create a write-up based on the image. First, of course, you need to go to Microsoft Pilot in Bing, Copilot in Bing. I'm going to add an image because I'm going to analyze this image. Now, this image is actually a thumbnail of one of my video. I am going to share with you. This is the image of one of my video for another channel. So now I am going to copy and paste the prompt that I have prepared. So the first prompt that I ask Copilot to do is to analyze the image. Okay. Now I'm going to ask Copilot, please analyze this image and tell me more about this image in detail, as I am preparing a write-up for my presentation. So I'm going to click submit. You have to wait for a while Copilot analyzing this image. Now, after analyzing this image, it tells you what the image about, okay? The image you have provided appeared to be a well-designed thumbnail for a cooking video, specifically for a recipe of ABC style chicken soup. Now, I'm not going to read all this. So the purpose of me telling Copilot to analyze is to get more info about this thumbnail. Now, at least from here, I can actually use this information to compile a write-up. The second step I'm going to ask is Copilot to elaborate further of this image. I need more detail, all right? So I'm going to copy and paste here. These are the prompts. I'm going to ask Copilot to give me more details of this thumbnail, okay? Okay, so the second step was, what I did was I asked Copilot to elaborate further and give me more context about this thumbnail. So these are the output. Talking about this thumbnail, what are the strategies of this thumbnail, what are the thumbnail talking about. So I'm not going to read everything here, but if for you to analyze your competitor or your own image or your thumbnail to create, let's say you want to create a YouTube, you need a thumbnail. And once you have created a thumbnail, you can actually insert here and ask Copilot to analyze. From there, you can actually gather all the information. Now, if you think all this information uh, is okay, or you want to copy this information into a spreadsheet or a Words document, you can always click here, copy, or you can always download, export. Now you can export to Words, PDF, or text. Now the reason is you can actually export or copy into a spreadsheet or a Words document So you can amend and edit all this information later at a later stage. Okay, now I'm going to proceed to the third stage, all right? Third step. Now the third step is I'm going to ask Copilot to compile all this information into a spreadsheet. Okay. Now, just now, I said that you can copy or export to Words, PDF, or text. But now, I want Copilot to compile all this information from here into a spreadsheet or in a table format that has number, titles, and its description for each paragraph as the header of this spreadsheet. So this is what I'm going to ask Copilot to do. I'm going to submit now. Now you see here there's an icon of Excel. You can actually edit in Excel. Instead of, there are two methods to copy all the details over here. First thing is you can actually export into Words, PDF, or text, or you can always copy all the entire information here. But bear in mind, when you copy all this information or you export this information, you do not have all this title. Okay, it will not be, summarized in an organized manner. So from here, you can see this is the icon. You can actually click on it and edit in Excel. So from here, you can gather all the information or edit and add on whatever information you want. So the fourth step, I'm going to a fourth step. Now the fourth step is I want to create this information based to create a presentation write up based on this information. So I'm going to ask Copilot to create a write up for this presentation. Now, this presentation, I want Copilot to use this information to do a write up for me based on this given format. Okay, name for each title and bullet point for each description. And I also ask Copilot to expand and give more details of the description for each point. So instead of just compile it in Excel, so I'm asking Copilot, with this information, please compile it in the following manner. You can add on all this what are the information that you want Copilot to compile. Okay, so I'm going to hit submit here. So now you can see these are the output of the write up for my presentation. Now the next step is now, for example, I'm okay everything here with all the content over here with the write up and everything. I'm going to ask Copilot to create a title, but I want Copilot to give me 10 suggestion titles for this presentation. So I'm going to copy the prompt that I've prepared. So I'm going to tell Copilot I would like to have a title for this presentation. Can you suggest at least 10 titles based on the given information above? So I need a title for this presentation, all right? So just wait for the output. Now these are the output. So these are the 10 suggestions of the title for my presentation. Now designing, so these are the ones. So you have to read which, you have to select which is the one that's suitable for you. Tell Copilot that I like the title number 10. Can you can you write the description for this title with not more than not more than 5,000 characters. So I've selected number 10, for example. So I'm going to ask Copilot to write description based on this number 10 title with not more than 5,000 characters. So this is the write-up, the description based on the title that I tell Copilot I like this title number 10. Can you write the description for this title with not more than 5,000 characters? So these are the description. I'm going to copy this title. Now, Copilot used to be able to generate image within Copilot with whatever text prompt that is given. But since yesterday when I tried, it doesn't work anymore. You have to uh, go to designer over here with your text prompt instead of generate image in the Copilot itself. Last time used to be able to create image. So anyway, I'm going to copy this text and go to designer. I'm going to paste the text over here. Okay, this is the title. We create an image based on this title. Okay, so I'm going to click submit and wait for the output. Yeah. So this is the image. Now, if you this image is actually based on the title given over here. All right. So now you can always pick either one and download. Now I'm going to pick any of this, for example, this one. I'm going to click download here. Once you click download, it will be at your download folder. I'm not going to do that now. The final part of the video just now is actually image creation with using the selected title. Now I'm going to go through the summary of what I've done. First step is the image creation. Second step is to get more information so that I can create a table in spreadsheet format. So I can edit in Excel if I want to. That format is actually inclusive of the numbers, titles, and description for each section of the detail given from the analysis of the image. Then with all this information, I ask Copilot to create a write-up with in-depth details. Then with the details of the write-up, I need a title for this presentation, and I asked Copilot to give me at least 10 titles for this presentation. And I selected one of the title. With that title, I create an image using a designer based on the given title that is suggested by Copilot. Now, the objective of me doing all this process is to create a well-organized and informative presentation. So I hope it helps. Please give a comment if you think I have to add more info and what are the things I need to improve. Or give a like to this video if you think you have get some input from what I've shared. All right, thank you. That's about it.